everyone, this is Julie with Her That. Today we are building a pool. Tristan, say hi.
What's up?
So the pool is 18 feet long. And so, And this Rhonda and Tom with Tom and Rhonda, at home with Tom and Rhonda, gave me the inspiration. They seem like they have so much fun in their pool, so check them out. We're going to start from the first and see what we can do here. So, right there, 18?
We'll go back. What are you doing? Keep your foot.
I'm trying to measure here. Trying to hold the phone and measure. Okay, so that's 18.
Let go.
And do the middle.
All right, get in the middle.
Get in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Put it. Wait, come on. Come on.
Cool. This is how big the pool will be. My son is real smart, y'all. Look at that. That's really cool. So now we know where to put the sand and how big the pool is going to be. I don't know where everybody lives, but we're here in Mount Vernon, Texas, and it was like, I think it got to 99 today. The heat index was, what, 120, Tristan?
Yeah, it was hot.
It was so hot. I'm so ready for a pool, just to relax in. So, huh? It looks good? Looks pretty level. Okay, now we are putting the tarp down. I think this cost about $50 at Tractor Supply. No stakes. Okay, we got the pool in. Now we're just trying to get it all smoothed out and stuff. Trying to get some poles and stuff in it. We got all the pieces laid out. That's the side braces, and this is the, I don't know what the poles fit in. What do you call those?
Joints.
Joints.
Okay, so.
Hi, Randy.
Hey,
Randy got a haircut today, y'all.
Sure did. Got it all cut off.
And Randy and Tristan joined the gym today. They are just, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're doing a workout now with the pool.
No, it's hot.
Huh?
No, we're not working out. It's just hot.
It's just hot. Hey, but that's good for you. Now we're just putting the hose in these side hose. This pool I got at Academy for $4.99 is an 18 by, how deep is it? 48?
48, yeah.
48 inches.
Nina's
so it,
barely gonna have her head.
huh?
Nina's barely gonna have her head.
Tristan's girlfriend Nina is little. He was saying that her head is just going to be sticking out just a little. But this is a Best Way Steel Pro Max.
Yeah, you hold the other end, hold it straight while you're pushing it in. Makes it easier. Like it?
He's like baby oil or something on it. They're tough to get in.
No.
Okay, now we're putting on the side post. Randy, hold this for us. Tristan, show them how that you do that.
You take the thing, and then you put it on top of the thing, and then snap it on there.
What?
Isn't that something?
But the curve has to go through here.
Yeah, you want to be
And
the
this-
flip guy? There's these little pins, you got to put the pins on. Okay. Good. You have to put them down and some holders.
Okay, there's pins that goes in these little holes right here to hold this up. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you how these little pins go in. There's like a little hole right there, and then you have this little pin, and you have this little rubber washer. You just put that on top. Put that in that hole. Make sure it's lined up at the bottom. Well, there. It snaps right on in there. And then you just keep doing that. We got this much done so far. So I say we're halfway done. After that is just the ladder and the filter. And putting the water in, the chlorine. And it's fun days in the sun. Randy, you want to say something to YouTube?
No.
He's hot.
Sweaty.
We got the size. We're just trying to get that one part in that's given us fits. Did it work? Yeah. That took some muscles. Now we're just going to straighten out to get all the wrinkles out. But look how big it is. So big and tall.
See if you can pick it up and like, look. Go on.
Tristan got the ladder built,
Here's a crease
and now
right
he's
here,
trying to
Tristan.
get the crease out. Tristan, how tall are you?
5'10".
So you can see how tall the pool is.
Walk on this crease right here so you can flatten it out.
There's a crease right there.
I mean, it'll flatten out when you get water in it. Yeah, that water. Yeah, but once
Yeah,
you get
but-
water, you won't be able to move it. No.
Just right on the seam right there, and I think that's it.
You guys ready for the water now?
No, we got to build the, what do you call it? The filters, the pumps. Now Tristan is doing the pump now.
I didn't turn the AC on there.
Just connecting the hose.
Uh-huh.
2 short ones here and a long one goes to that.
Yeah, another one goes to the other one.
And then that's that it?
I think so.
Did we put chlorine in there?
I don't know, you gotta read the manual.
Oh, it's
I'm
read.
just your setup guy, I'm not your service guy.
Oh, look at this. Got that. I had to take a break and go do something. And he already got all that together. Cool. Little ladder. Now we just let it fill up. We'll let it fill up for a week. Just kidding. I don't know how long it's going to take. But that's it, y'all. That's our work for today. And thank you, Randy and Tristan, for helping dear old mom get this going. And thank you, Tom and Rhonda with At Home and Tom Rhonda, for showing us your pool and sharing it with us. We really enjoyed the pool night party that we had. So just want to say thanks, and I hope we have a lot of family memories doing this. Thanks, everyone. Bye.